Hi viewers, welcome to the next lecture. Today we will talk about hub versus switch. Before going to talk about hub versus switch, we need to know what is switch and what is hub. After that we have to order, we will see hub versus switch. Let's see one by one. So what is hub? Coming to hub, it means hub is a simple and cheap networking broadcast device. It works under the physical layer of the OSI model that connects the bunch of computers together in a network. Here the hub connects the bunch of computers. So, but it does lots of waste of bandwidth. Here the hub waste of the bandwidth. What is switch? Switch is a multicast networking device that works under the data link layer of the OSI model that connects the bunch of computers or devices in a network. Now the question is how switch is differed from hub. Well, hubs are similar to switches but are not as smart. While switches send incoming data to a specific port, hubs broadcast all incoming data to all active ports. For example, if 5 devices are connected to an 8-port hub, all data received by the hub is relayed to the 5 active ports. While this ensures the data gets to the right port, it also leads to inefficient use of the network bandwidth. For this reason, switches are much more commonly used than hubs. As we know, hub is the broadcast device which sends data from one PC to all. But coming to switch, switch is a multicast device which can send data to a particular PC based on you want. See here, a hub is to send out a message from one port to other ports. For example, in the diagram, if three or computers have like A, B, C, the message sent by a hub for computer. Here A will also come to the other computer, but only computer A will respond and the response will also go out to every other port on the hub. So therefore here all the computers can receive the message and computers themselves need to decide whether to accept the message or not. Coming to switch, a switch is able to handle the data and it knows the specific addresses to the message. It can decide which computers is the message identified for send the message directly to the right computer. So the efficiency of switch has been greatly improved, thus providing a faster networking speed. So this is about versus a hub and switch. Please follow my channel and thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys.